that's basically we've got CBBS or something over there, and this has been the kid running around. So I'm on the computer, just trying to do things, go through stuff, but you just can't because you've got to listen to this. And this is half term, I think I haven't plugged in the microphone. No, it's going to be terrible audio. Let me plug that in. There we go, hopefully that's a bit better. But we have the decibel reader anyway. Like I say in a lot of videos, this is pretty light. This isn't like extra noisy. This is kind of like medium really. 50 decibels we got with that banging. And then UND is basically, because the range on this is 30 to 130 decibels, so once it dips below about 28.5 it just goes UND, under basically. So as far as I can tell, this is just a child playing in the flat above, watching his cartoons and just having a jolly time. But yeah, I'll leave the video there.